Welcome back to Dogman channel, guys, and today we're just going to talk about some of my favorite hubs. I know you got your own favorite hubs out there. Like for me, I'm a big fan of Chris King's. I love Atom Lab Profile Racing. But today we're going to do a little bit something different. I believe this hub that I'm going to show you today is pretty neat. There are not many people are using it. First we're going to talk about my dirt jump bike. What we have here is actually the Trizoid. It's Superstar hubs. It's pretty good, I would say. 120 engagement. So let's get right to it. There you have it, guys. That's Superstar components, Trizoid, 120 engagement for my dirt jump bike, Polygon tread. And of course, this is my enduro bike, YT Capra CF Pro Race. You've seen this tons of times, and it's really my favorite. By the way, I just changed my tires with my Maxxis combo. I'm loving it so far. And the hubs that we're using for this one is LG1R, I think. It's pretty good. I love it. And pretty light, I'd say. So let's get right to it. So there you have it, guys. We've heard two hub sounds today. One is for my DJ bike and the other one is for my enduro bike. If you like this kind of videos, please hit the subscribe button. I will not take it against you if you smash that like button as well. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Peace.